All right, if you have a sweet tooth, you're going to love this next recipe.
Something yummy is in the oven as we grow Bite with Belkys.
We're going classic today, guys. We are gonna make shortbread cookies, and they're so easy to make and so delicious. You're gonna make this one over and over again. Let's do it. For this, you're gonna need unsalted butter, all-purpose flour, some sugar, a little vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. I'm bringing out the big gun for this one, guys, but if you don't have a standing mixer, it's okay. You could still use a hand mixer or one of those dough cutters. You just gotta put a little muscle into it, but I'm gonna use this guy today. We start with all-purpose flour, a little pinch of salt, some sugar. When I said some sugar, I meant a lot of sugar. Vanilla extract, and last but not least, butter. This is 2 sticks of butter cut into cubes, and make sure it's cold. And now we're gonna start this, and all we wanna do is let it mix until it gets crumbly. So you guys see the difference from how it started, how it's going. This is what I mean by crumbly. All we're gonna do now is turn it off and add it to an 8x8 baking tin that I've lined with parchment paper. By the way, it took about 6 minutes for this to get crumbly. You wanna press this down, try to make it even if you can. And once you're finished, it goes in a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes till the edges get golden brown. When you take this out of the oven, the most important thing is to let it sit for 1 hour. So easy, so delicious. Somebody get me some milk. Homemade shortbread cookies. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Belkys Naray. Bon appetito.
Yummy. For more info on this and other recipes, head on over to WSVN.com. Click on Entertainment and then on Bite. You can also find Belkys' Bite blog on there.